वादग्रस्त वेंचणुकेत वांटेकार जाल्ल्या क्लबांचेर जीसीए कारवाय करतली। सुत्रां सांगता ते प्रमाण आपूण जीसीएचो अध्यक्ष जाला म्हणपाचो दावो दयानंद नार्वेकारान मंगळारा केल्लो। अध्यक्षाच्या कार्यकाळा विशीं जीसीएचे संविधानात सुदारणा करपाचेर 4 जूनाचे बसकेंत चर्चा जातली। 24 जूनाक आमसभाय जावपाची आसा। 22 जुलयाक जीसीएच्यो वेंचणुको जावंक शकता म्हणपाचें अध्यक्ष विनोद फडकेन मंगळारा मिडियाक सांगलें।
We'll held election before 25th July. 4 जुनाक आमची मॅनेजिंग कमिटी मिटींग जातली। पयलो मॅनेजिंग कमिटी मिटींग पयलो सब्जेक्ट आसतलो ते अमेंडमेंट टू आवर मेमोरंडम। आदे आमचे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन आसले पळय त्या प्रमाण प्रेसिडेंटाक 2 टर्म मेळटाले, कंटिन्युअस 2 टर्म्स। त्यो बिकॉज ऑफ सम इंटरेस्ट ऑफ आवर अर्लियर प्रेसिडेंट 2 टर्माच्या जाग्यार ते लायफ टायम म्हणून अमेंड केले तेन्ना। ह्या खातीर आमी हे अमेंडमेंट चेंज करतले आनी आमी परते आदी जे अमेंडमेंट आसले, आदी जे रुल्स आसले, ती 2च टर्म कंटिन्युअस कोणाकूय रावंक मेळटा ती परती हाडटले। 24 जूनाक आमची स्पेशल जनरल बॉडी आसतली। 25 जूनाक आमची परती मॅनेजिंग कमिटी मिटींग जातली आनी त्या मिटिंगेक आमी इलेक्शन डेट डिक्लेअर करतले, जी प्रोबेबली 22 जुलैक आसतली।
One more important decision we'll be taking that day is to initiate action on the clubs who have participated with the election process, in spite being informed to the press, to the media and individually की इलेक्शन कमिटी जी फाटली आसलेली ती डिसबँड जाल्ली आहा and our clubs, registered clubs association should desist from participation in that process.
We'll decide it in the coming managing committee meeting what action to be taken. Now anybody calling him president without any legal, then I think we must take some action on that. Definitely we'll take some action on that. We'll take action on the election committee which had disobeyed managing committee as well as our arbitrator. And I think the committee, what I was surprised to see these photos of the committee, because in that when I saw the photos, there were some drivers, there were some one gardener, one canteen contractor was there. So I don't know what type of cricket. Is it Goa Cricket Association or Goa Carom Association?
गोंयांत तंबाखू नियंत्रण कायदो जाय तसो चालीक लागिल्लो ना। अजूनय भौशीक सुवातींनी कायदो मोडून सिगारो ओडपी आनी गुटखो खावपी लोक दिसतात। सरकार आनी संबंदीत खात्यांनी मनार घेतल्यार शिमला आनी चंदीगढा भशेन गोंयय तंबाखू मुक्त जावंक शकता असो दावो ह्या वाठारांत राष्ट्रीय आनी आंतरराष्ट्रीय पावंड्यार वावुरपी आपोवावुरपी संस्थांनी केला। पणजे मंगळारा जाल्ल्या एका परिसंवादांत हो विशय आयलो।
We are doing this workshop in collaboration with the union, the Director of Health Services and Goa Can for creating awareness and sensitization about the COTPA Act, that is the Tobacco Control Act. Goa has very low levels of smoking, but the implementation of the act has not picked up or has not been as much as we have wanted to be. There are a lot of shortcomings which the COTPA Act has not been fully implemented in Goa. We at Voluntary Health Association of Goa are trying to create the sensitization in different aspects in the media, in schools and colleges, with the government, and trying to see that the act is enforced in toto. A lot of other cities and a lot of other states have done commendable work, but we need to come together. All the departments need to work proactively and set some deadlines so that Goa can be smoke free. Another serious problem which Goa is facing is the use of gutka. We need to do massive campaigns to reduce the usage of gutka.
I must say that because here it is a small place, easy to train, easily every places are accessible. The way the Shimla went smoke free, the way Chandigarh went smoke free, the way other places are becoming smoke free. There is one more district in Madhya Pradesh which is known as district Dhar. It is going to be smoke free on 31st. A district SAS Nagar Mohali went smoke free last year. A district Mansa is going to be smoke free this year. So many jurisdictions in the country, they are going to smoke free, and Goa can be smoke free. I can say, if everything goes right, by October 2nd, 2012. If the State Tobacco Control Cell here decides, or Department Health decides, it can go smoke free. There is no doubt in it.
जीएमसीच्या दोघा ज्येष्ठ कर्मचाऱ्यांमध्ये सोमारा पेटले. जीएमसीचो सहाय्यक लेखा अधिकारी मंगलदास नायक आणि एका सिनियर रेजिडेंट ऑर्थोपेडिक दोतोरामदी बरीच बाचाबाची झाली. पेंडिंग पेमेंटाक लागून दोतोर लेखा अधिकाऱ्याचेर बेजारलो आणि त्यांची झगडी झाली अशें जीएमसीचो हंगामी डीन प्रदीप नायक म्हणटा. चुकून हात दाराच्या ग्लासाचेर बसलो असो दावो दोतोर करता. परिस्थिती पळयल्यार मात झगडी बरीच तापिल्लीशी दिसता.
सो जीएमसीचो इन्सिडंट जालो एक डॉक्टर आणि अकाउंट असिस्टंटा मदीं कितें जालें एक्झॅक्टली आनी जीएमसी ती केस कशी फुडें व्हरता?
हय, तें कितें जालें न्ही, एट 4:30 खंय तो सिनियर रेजिडेंट ताच्या कॅबिनाक गेलो आनी ही वॉज एन्क्वायरींग अबाउट सम सॅलरी पेमेंट. आनी त्या भितर ही हॅड जॉयन्ड 1 month बॅक कितें तरी, समवेअर इन मार्च ही हॅड जॉयन्ड, आनी 1 month ही हॅज वर्कड. सो हीज बिल्स वर सेंट टू अकाउंट्स डिपार्टमेंट. दॅट्स वॉट ही इन्फॉर्म्ड. So he was annoyed and there was some verbal clash between them. And then in that incident one glass pane was broken. So the matter was referred to the police.
Okay.
Police have come and done the Panchanama. Tani to claim karta in his apology has written that accidentally it was broken. He had no intention of doing it. And he has apologized for the incident.
दक्षिण गोंयचे जिल्लोधिकाऱ्यान सोमारा वेळसांव पंचायतीक अकस्मात भेट दिली. रेशन कार्डाचेर नोंदणीची तपासणी करपाक आपूण आयिल्लो अशें एन.डी. अगरवालान सांगलें. रेशन कार्ड बेगिनात बेगीन लोकां मेरेन पावोवपाचो यत्न चल्ला. तेच निमतान आपूण आयिल्लो अशें जिल्लोधिकारी म्हणटा. निवासी दाखल्या भशेन कार्ड दिवपाची प्रक्रिया कंप्युटरायज करपाचो यत्न चल्ला अशें अगरवालान सांगलें.
Today my tour is very purpose only to know the reason why the public applications are delayed. Why the application cannot be disposed faster manner. I am working on the line कि as we started online resident certificate in 24 hours, same manner whether we can give the faster manner resident the ration card and other applications also. So unless until I know the reason what problem is happening, what is the present process, which process I have to cut short, then I cannot improve the system. So I am assess the reason what is happening it, and I am trying to simplify the procedure so people can get the application faster. That is the purpose of my visit.
घेऊया एक व्यावसायिक विसर.